Hello everyone, Alex Moses here. Today I'm going to do a little bit self-promotion. Some of you know I already wrote this book, Become a Top 2% Earner by Changing Your Brain Chemistry. I think you're going to see it in reverse. That's what it's look like. This is my book. This is actually the hardcover, the more expensive version. I will provide you with ebook version in the description. So you can literally have this book for free. I want to give it away to everybody who can put it to use. If you want to buy this book, it's actually $54 on Amazon. You can buy the PDF version or wherever they call it for less. Either way, you can go to Amazon, buy it, or you can just download it. I'll give you the link to my book in the description. Why am I promoting this book? Because I have a lot of people asking me the same questions. How do I improve? What I need to do? How to become more productive? What is your process? Instead of me making 100 videos about the same thing and talking over and over again, or the same thing, I want you to just get the book. There's all answers in there. Have my own method in there. It's called C method, SEE, like you can see the method. What it means is sequential, exponential, experiential. That's what a C stands for. So if you learn in experience and you expand that experience, that's all it is. In order for you to learn, you learn on your mistakes. You're a lot more successful if you make a lot of more mistakes. There are very few people on this planet who have not made any mistakes. Very few. I think maybe only one, like Bezos. He didn't make a lot of mistakes in the beginning, but he was pretty consistent. He didn't have any businesses before Amazon that failed. I've had 1,000 businesses that failed, and few of them got into the billions. It's not what you do that makes you great. It's how much you fail to make you learn and become good. People think it's all you, everything is about success and how you become successful, how indestructible you are, and how fast you can move. I don't think there's anything special about me, but one thing, I probably failed more than anybody I've met. There's so much pain and suffering in my life. For people who don't know, I'll give you a very fast breakdown, talking about bad words using, very fast breakdown. I was born with 3 valves in my heart and scoliosis, which is problems in my spine. By age of 8, I had an accident that burned both of my eyes. It took me like years to recover from that. At the age of 14, I get sick. They turned into tuberculosis, and I spent like 3 hours in a crucial pain in the hospital. At 26, I had my first stroke. At 32, my second stroke. At 40, I became totally disabled. My back completely gave up because I was born with scoliosis, had my back problem my whole life. At the age of 40, it just gave up and I couldn't move at all. And as soon as I recovered, I had a heart attack. We're talking about like crazy suffering through my life. And that's all like by age of 41. So I knew I had to change something in my life, and I did. I'm not going to go in details what I did or how I fixed myself, but if you're interested, ask me questions. I'll maybe make another video about it. This is just my health problems. My failures in businesses, like I said, I have thousands of them. There's too many of them to notice, but how I became successful, I'll make another video on that too. But if you want to have the answers that based on my experience, so you won't have to make the same mistakes and suffer to everything I suffered, download this book. The link is going to be for free in it. If you want a hard copy, go to Amazon. You have a soft copy, you can have a hard copy, or you can just have a downloadable version if you want to pay for it. I think it's like $4 or $5. I think you can even get it for free if you got some credits with Amazon. Again, the link is going to be in description. I think it's a great book for somebody who wants to learn on other people's mistakes instead of focusing on creating their own. And believe it or not, you don't have to look for mistakes. They will appear naturally. So that was this video all about, and hopefully you got something out of it. You know what you're supposed to get out of it? Get the book. Talk to you next time. Goodbye.